Welcome to Installer Guru, where we make installation easy for you. Today, we will update our HESK Helpdesk system from version 3.4.5 to 3.5.1. What is HESK? HESK is a simple, lightweight helpdesk system that allows you to run your organization's support system with ease. If you're new to HESK installation, check out our other video on how to install HESK. The link is in the description below. The new HESK 3.51 comes packed with exciting features to improve your helpdesk experience. Before updating, make sure to back up your old data. This step is crucial to avoid any data loss during the update process. 1. Download the update files from the official HESK website. 2. Extract the files into a folder. Inside, you'll see the updated application files. 3rd. Stop the web server and database server from the XAMPP control panel. 4. Copy and paste the extracted files into the XAMPP htdocs folder. If prompted to replace any files or folders, click Replace. 5. Start the web server and database server from the XAMPP control panel. Run the update by accessing the HESK update page in your browser. Accept the license agreement and click Migrate to complete the update process. Once the update is complete, delete the Install folder from the XAMPP htdocs directory. Log into the admin portal to ensure everything is working correctly. Boom! Your HESK is now successfully updated to version 3.5.1. What's new in HESK 3.5.1? Print QR codes and barcodes directly from tickets in the help desk. New customer portal. Customers can now create an account, view tickets, and reply to current and past tickets. Profile settings. Customers can change their password or enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, for added security. Admin improvements. The admin now has the ability to manage customers and users from a single interface. Ticket reply enhancements. You can now generate a direct link to specific tickets for better access and sharing. And that's not all. There are several other small but impactful improvements in this update that make HESK 3.51 better than ever. That's all for now. Thank you for spending your time with us. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Installer Guru. Share it with your friends and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tech hacks. See you in the next video. Happy installing!